G'day, my name's Christian. I'm one of the proud owners of the EA Group. That includes Earth Moving Technology Solutions. Thank you for looking and becoming an early adopter around AI safety and safety cameras around machines, ensuring people and plant never come together again. Why you need to watch the next 7 minutes of video. We have got Safety Shield Global exclusively for Australia, and once it's put onto your machines, there is 99.4% chance that that machine and that person will never come in contact again. In 2022, there was 57 deaths, and those 57 deaths, you can see here those 57 families that didn't have their loved ones coming home. Our technology could have saved those lives and those people coming home. So, these next 7 minutes will show you how our technology will stop people and plant coming together. There is a huge onus of responsibility for the directors and owners of businesses. We want to keep our team safe, and we do our best efforts to keep them safe, but accidents do occur. This technology will help you legally be protected from going through court cases and legal costs and all of the other heartache that you don't need when accidents occurs, because we can now stop those accidents. You won't be legally liable for people and plant coming together ever again, because this technology and using AI will stop people and plant coming together forever. So enjoy the next 7 minutes, and we can't wait to get to site to see you. We've been innovators in bringing new products and new brands into the technology space to make your sites more productive. And now, 4 years ago, we brought a product into Australia called Safety Shield Global to make our sites safer. Let me tell you a little bit more as to why artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence cameras don't need to be feared, and they can be trusted. Let me tell you a little bit about Safety Shield Global. Now, AI. If I could have $1 for every time someone over the last 4 years as I've been talking about this product has told me that AI is something not to be trusted, something to be feared, I've heard all sorts of things. I can understand that. Why you can be completely confident with artificial intelligence and with Safety Shield, over 44,000 tests on site in every condition. There's been a lot of heavy lifting done for you, and the trust around the product is verified in the data, over 99% accuracy in all conditions, and that's every part of the human form. Now, why you can trust and why you need a company like the EA Group and ETS as part of that group to be your partner in safety. We're a nationwide company. We have branches in every state. We have expertise and technical expertise and training and support to be able to roll out Safety Shield in all of its formats, which we're going to run through the various options and formats with Safety Shield. We will hold your hand through to this new era and this new stage of bringing zero harm to your site. Now, let me run you through some of the options with Safety Shield that make it unique to the market that simply other competitors can't keep up with. There's 3 unique features when it comes to Safety Shield, and what we have found in the marketplace is that companies are driving to minimise the chance or zero the chance of people and plant coming together, which is a full system of autonomous stopping, of thumbs up, and of detection of where the person is approaching the machine. Those 3 unique features are unique to Safety Shield and make them different to anything else in the market. So let me tell you first of all about the small little man that's going. Your operator will be able to identify where the person is coming from, both from a yellow zone and from a red zone. It's a very small indicator, and it does not produce another thing for the operator to look at. It's not another screen in the cabin. They don't need any more distractions. Safety Shield have made a very, very simple stick figure man that just gives you arrows, and those arrows will light up depending upon the zone the person's coming in, whether it be yellow or red. Really simple and easy to see where the risks are coming from. Secondly, let me run over the thumbs up option for you. A unique safety feature to Safety Shield is the thumbs up feature. As you can see on the machine behind, there's a red cross. That means the operator is operating the machine. It's got full functionality. Now, often during the course of a day, you need to approach a machine, instructions need to change, ranges of different reasons why you need to approach a machine. Now, what we have is a thumbs up feature. So I will say to the operator, thumbs up, and then he will acknowledge that he has seen me and it is now okay to approach with a verbal indicator. So I can approach the machine now, and as I approach the machine, there's no chance of the machine moving. So as I hop up, on the machine. If you were to knock, if the operator was to knock, if something was to fall in the cab, a water bottle or whatever the case may be,
approach with caution.
what you'll see is the controls are now dead with the audible warning. As I exit and move away from the machine, again, thank you for the instruction. He will now turn the thumbs up back to a red, as he has done, and the machine is now right to move and operate again. There's no safer way for you to approach a machine. With Safety Shield, it's adaptable to all machines. Tier 5 final machines, cabs are getting bigger, vision and blind spots are tougher. I've got it fitted on an excavator, but we can fit it on all ranges of machines, forklifts, scissor lifts, you name it, we can adapt it to suit and be safe. Now, lots of blind spots on machines. As you can see here with this machine, I'm standing behind it. This is a high risk area. I'm walking back towards the machine, not looking, and the machine will come to a stop, as you can see. So, that vision is now going directly up to a cloud. 5 seconds before the incident, 5 seconds after the incident, direct to our safety portal. Version 2 has been released. You can see every moment of every event, be it yellow zone, red zone. That allows you to change behaviour instantly. There's no more he said, she said of what occurs. And data. You want to get the data, you want to improve. We provide all of the analytical information to be able to see trends across work sites, see trends across operators or pieces of plant, see heat spots on different sites. That means there may be a traffic management issue. All the analytical data can be provided to you through the portal, or, and if convenient, APIs are already in place. We can transfer that data directly into your safety systems or operating systems. Our experts from around the country will come out, and that's part of our offering, is hands-on offerings to train, to implement, and then to continue to update and provide toolbox meetings for your team, so we ensure that there's zero harm and your sites are a lot safer. So you've seen what I'm like here in a blind spot. There's other blind spots on the other side of the machine. Let's have a look when I approach the excavator from the other blind spot and it's slewing and swinging towards me. So here I am on a machine or walking into a machine blind spot, and he's going to start slewing at me. So as I walk towards that blind spot, the machine's going to slew, the bucket's coming near me, and again, as you see, the machine stops. I've walked into a number of yellow zones and red zones around this machine, and what you're seeing now is exactly what your safety officer will see on Safety Shield's unique safety portal called View. You have an opportunity through View now to be able to change behaviour immediately, make notes around the incident or event as it's happened, and in turn go out on site, talk to your site managers. But most important, safety improves with data. With View, you get the opportunity to be able to ensure that on every site there's a trend of behaviour and there's a trend of safety improving and incidents and events going down. What you can be safe in is when you see a Safety Shield Global certified machine on your site, you're safe in knowing that that machine will not come into contact with any of your key people on site. They're going home to see their families and their friends.